Welcome to this week's episode of 60 Seconds with the Superintendent. Well, Strongsville City Schools is a large organization. We have many facilities, many properties, and sometimes things break. Behind the scenes, we have an outstanding maintenance department that makes it all work. Let's take a look.
Here at Strongsville City Schools, just like many other school districts, we have a lot of departments that work behind the scenes to make sure the day-to-day operation of the buildings are going well, so that the staff and the students are safely working and also effectively working. Some of those departments include mechanics, custodians, warehouse workers, and bus drivers. Today, of course, we're looking at specifically the maintenance department here at Strongsville City Schools. And the maintenance department here is a group of 9 guys that do their best to make sure that everything's operating efficiently and correctly. We have a very talented group of guys. There's electricians, plumbers, HVAC, masons. They do it all. More than just the day-to-day operation of fixing a loose sink or making sure that the desks are repaired correctly. There's also some large projects that they've been doing this year. And the first one is the installation of some high school lights up at the parking lot. The walkway previously did not have enough light, so students going from high school to the upper student parking a lot of times had to walk in the dark, and any kind of athletic events after hours. That's been improved now. We've installed those lights there, and that's all in-house. We also did a lot of concrete work this past summer. Chapman, the sidewalks had heaved up and were causing a trip hazard. We decided that we were going to have those broken up and the forms put, and then we poured concrete. At Kinsner Elementary was the installation of some new basketball posts, basketball backboards and nets. The ones that were there were not good. The kids weren't able to play basketball. The backboards were all shot. So the new ones were installed by us. Another example is the storage cabinets in the changing rooms in the ROTC storage area. Our guys were able to put together and fabricate dressing rooms so that students can go in and get changed into their uniform or their civilian clothes without having to walk down to a bathroom or anything like that. We kept it all in that storage room. The last project I'll mention today specifically is the installation of an air conditioning unit at Whitney Elementary School. So with just those 5 highlighted projects, I can tell you that we saved thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands of dollars, by doing it in-house. Instead of having to pay laborers to come in and pay labor and parts and cleanup, we're able to do it all in-house because of the skill and the talent that we have from these 9 people in this maintenance department. More than just the day-to-day operations, they're doing their best to help the district be more efficient, help us save money, and make this a great place for students to have a good educational experience.
As superintendent, I always want to ensure prudent use of the tax dollars that we're blessed with. As you can see through these various projects, because of our highly skilled maintenance staff, we've saved thousands of dollars doing this work in-house. A great big thank you to all of our guys on this outstanding crew. As always, thanks for watching, and go make it a great Mustang week.